to Tiggio's animal facts. Here's everything you need to know about duckbill platypuses. Duckbill platypuses are small and timid creatures. Their head and torso are flattened to aid in their guide through the water. Their thick fur, which is dark brown on the top and tan on the belly, repels water, keeping them warm and dry even after hours of swimming. Platypuses in the water. Platypuses hunt underwater, where they swim fluidly using their webbed front feet and their hind feet and beaver-like tail to guide. Skin folds protect their eyes and ears, and a watertight seal seals their nostrils. A platypus may remain submerged for a minute or two in this position and use its sensitive beak to locate food. These Australian creatures feed on the ground. They use their bill to gather up insects, larvae, shellfish, and worms from the bottom. All of this stuff is kept in cheek pouches and crushed for intake at the surface. Because platypuses lack teeth, the gravel helps them chew their food. Platypus Communication. Platypuses are the only known mammals with an electroreceptive sense. They have the highest sensitive electroreception of any monotremes. The platypus's electroreception are arranged in rostrocaudal rows of the bill skin. The platypus can detect the high path of an electric source by evaluating signal strength. This would account for the animal's unique side-to-side head movement while hunting. Habitat. Platypuses are restricted to a small area of the planet. These species live in the freshwater areas that run through Tasmania and Australia's eastern and southeastern coasts. While they spend most of their time in the water, they will waddle onto riverbanks to dig tunnels with their claws. Platypuses can also be found living behind rock ledges, roots, or garbage. Platypuses are highly durable, living up to 20 years in captivity and up to 12 years in the wild. According to scientists, these fantastic species are the ancestors of contemporary mammals. Recent research indicates that they originated more than 112 million years ago, much before the dinosaurs perished. Diet. Platypuses are carnivores, meaning they consume meat but not vegetables. They forage for food in the water in which they reside. They use their sensitive bills to locate food along the muddy bottom of a river, stream, pond, or lake as they swim. If they find something amusing, such as shellfish or worms, they hold them in their cheek bags and swim to the surface. Because platypuses lack teeth and only have grinding plates, they mash their meals into digestible pieces by scooping up pebbles or soil from the bottom of the waterbed. Platypus Infants. The majority of mammals produce young living. Platypuses, on the other hand, deposit eggs. They are a type of prehistoric mammal known as the monotreme. Only echidnas or spiny anteaters lay eggs. When platypus is ready for mating, she burrows below the river floor and sticks into one of her tunnel rooms. Then she lays 1 or 2 eggs to keep them warm between her rump and tail. After about 10 days and the tiny bean-sized babies feed for 3 to 4 months, the eggs hatch. Baby platypuses can swim independently about the time of weaning. About how do duckbill platypus defend itself from predators? The duckbill platypus has several predators in the wild, such as snakes, water rats, monitor lizards, hawks, owls, and eagles. So the platypus has a couple of ways to protect itself. The platypus lives in a wide variety of habitat types, such as freshwater lakes. So if they are on land, then they will jump into the water to escape. It also has a poisonous spur on its back toe, which connects to a venom gland. If the platypus is in danger, then it will stick the predator with its sharp back toe. The platypus is one of the few living mammals to produce venom. They make the venom in venom glands that are connected to hollow spurs on their hind legs. Their venom is primarily made up during the mating season. While the venom's effects are described as extremely painful, it is not lethal to humans. Many archaic mammal groups possess similar tarsal spurs, so it is thought that rather than having developed this characteristic uniquely, the platypus simply inherited this characteristic from its antecedents. There you go. How many of these facts did you know before? What do you think of these? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked our video, then we ask for you to subscribe to our channel, as we will share more videos about your favorite animals.